everyone and welcome to the inaugural show of the Sunflower Gallery. This is their first show, new gallery of course, and in collection they have beautiful options. But before that, designers from Ahmedabad, Bombay, Pune and Delhi are here with their beautiful collection. We have patola, chicken curry, some very pretty options in jewelry as well, gold, silver, brass. They have lovely options in Indo-Westerns, festive wear also. Some very delicious dessert options are also available. So what are you waiting for? 2 days, that is today and tomorrow at the Sunflower Gallery. So don't forget to check them out. Valley parking is also available. And to see the collection in detail, swipe left.
Hello, I'm Hetasha from Desi Dye. પટોલા ને બધી વેરાયટીઝ આપણે કરેલી છે. ખેસ, ટેબલ રનર, મેટ, નેપકિન એનો સેટ હોય, પિલો કવર્સ, આસન, ક્લચીસ, બધા પોટલીસ, ધ જેકેટ્સ, ધ સાડીઝ એન્ડ ધ દુપટ્ટાસ, ધ રિયલ પાટન પટોલા ડબલ ઇકત દુપટ્ટાસ. And all these real clutches, the handcrafted batwas, potlis.
Very pretty, lovely, look at that.
The material with bandhani, abhas.
Okay, Aadha's navi option है. Alright ma'am, can you show us one of the dupatta as well? Dupatta sarees.
Banarasi bandhej dupatta.
Okay,
The double ikat natural dye dupattas.
lovely.
Double ikat natural dye sari, off white and the.
Hello.
Hi, this is Sohani from House of Eram.
Okay, House of Eram.
Lot of handwork outfits, hand embroidered, and with all Indo
Alright.
with Indian ethnic wear.
Okay,
Something like this called kaftan.
kaftan.
One shoulder, off shoulder, you can wear it like a boat neck. So it's like easy ways to wear it.
Okay, alright. Okay.
This is something very pretty jacket with a blouse and a drape skirt.
Okay.
Very nice.
So a jacket with a beautiful cape, lovely.
Have like a jacket with a drape skirt.
Jacket with a drape skirt. Okay, lovely.
Like a blouse with the olive pants and a cape attached to it.
Very pretty. Okay.
Something what even I'm
You're wearing.
blazer with the pants.
Lovely. So blazer with pants that is very.
Hi, Ahmedabad. I'm Seema Raman. My brand name is Textures and I'm here from Pune, exhibiting in your city at the Sunflower Gallery. So it's very evident like what I'm wearing. This is our speciality. It's a signature style. We do tussar silk sarees with bold, vibrant prints. And it's very difficult to get such bright colors on tussars. That's where our expertise comes in. I'll just show you a few of what we do. So we do these, and the best part is they come with fun blouses. So whatever the sari print is, the blouse would be a miniature print of the same. It's a coordinated look. Yeah. So we have a huge array of prints all in it. We've also launched the tussar tissues in it. That's another speciality. And we don't want to miss out on the crowd that wears suits. So we also do suit sets in the same concept, wherein your dupatta does the talking.
Hi, I'm Rutva and my brand name is Edges. Our designs are all brass made and 18 karat gold plated brass they are. They are all modern contemporary designs which is currently very much in trending.
Hi.
Hello, this is Cookie Nuts.
Okay. Yes, so let's check out their entire tempting table. So all they have is beautiful options in cookies. I see healthy cookies here as well. They have lots of options in these bite-sized cookies. Then some cake options. Look at that. Cranberry, ragi, chocolate, double chocolate, cashew nuts, cranberry, coconut and lots of...
Hi, I'm Jimmy અને મારી બ્રાન્ડનું નામ છે ક્વાક. Even I have a partner જેનું નામ છે નીલમ. Okay. Can we start with? See, I have a men's collection too. બરાબર જે ફેબ્રિક્સ છે ચંદેરી tissue and everything. Then I have a semi-stitch too. You can look at the semi-stitch collection. See the one production. જે બધું મારું મલ ચંદેરી પર છે, ઢાકાથી આવે છે મારું મલ. That is all મલ ચંદેરી. See, these are all the collections. Okay, I have introduced this velvet kaftan. This is my first piece. Thank you. And I have come up with the tissue chaniya choli. This is the lehenga with dupatta and everything. We have an organza too. हमारी पास organza पण છે. એટલે અને one I am wearing is the same.
Hello. Hi, I'm Darshini from Solvay by Yama and Darshini. Today we've got closed shoes for the season. So we've got 3 colors in this one.
Okay.
Then we've got all regular flats here, which we've got different colors. Black che, rose gold che, and all different heels also.
Right.
Small heels che.
Okay, so they have lots of options in heels as well. And then we have lots of options in these, look at that. Lovely, beautiful options are available. This is brand Solvay, so do check them out. Something in wedges, more options, look at that. So this is Tiani, and they have brought a beautiful collection of natural gold as well as diamond, and they have lots of options and varieties. Their main aim and goal is to make polki jewelry accessible. Also, they have lots of options in designs. Look at that, beautiful options in these bags.
Hello.
Hi, especially for NRIs. Hi, I'm Nirzari founder of Mirel, the India Concierge.
Okay.
We are your shopping guidance. You can say shopping buddy.
Okay.
Yes, we help you out for your shopping for Indian wear, Indian clothing,
Right.
for wedding shopping, festival look, customized outfit or designer wear.
Wow.
We do everything from sourcing to selection to your doorstep delivery.
Lovely. So if you're confused, then you know where to shop from, right?
Yes.
Lovely.
Please follow our page, Mirel, the India Concierge.
This is Sattvic Healing Hands and Helping Hearts. So the calendars that you are seeing are designed by the kids of the NGO here. So please show some support and love, and definitely do check them out. They are very good designs. So yes.
Hello Ahmedabad. I am at Sunflower Gallery today. Very excited, showcasing some of my very new latest collection. It's called the Vrindavan collection, inspired and aspired by Sri Krishna. A lot of motives that Sri Krishna had around him all the time in Vrindavan. As usual, I have lots and lots to pick from. These pieces are created with gemstones, which are really pretty and shiny for your wedding and pre-wedding functions. And of course, you can't miss our dream necklaces. That's my favorite.
So next up we have Crumble and Flake, and they have lots of options in these goodies, as you can see. Quite tempting, very very tasty, I'm sure. They have lots of options in cupcakes, then they have options in cakes as well. So they have
Hi, so I am Kia by Agni, and we got this kind of wedding and very party wear collection.
all right,
Lots of colors in that. They've got nice, vibrant colors.
very pretty.
Something about what I'm wearing.
What you're wearing.
And we've got these kind of colors too for your brunches, big parties.
Okay.
We have these sets with the dupattas and nice tissue pants and dupattas. They're
Very
nice and homely, lots of colors available.
Lovely.
Few lovely sets with shararas also.
Okay,
They have
Sharara
their
sets
own,
are also available.
Yeah, and we've got nice sets for the brides, lovely reds.
Lovely. Okay.
Lots of suits with hijab.
Okay.
So you can pair up for your pre-weddings and weddings.
Right.
And apart from that, we've got nice quad sets, a very party quad.
Okay, so party quad sets are
They
also
come with the nice
available.
organza pants.
Okay.
We have this kind of Lehita Marori sets. These are really smart.